Hey guys, I took this sell trade on Vix10 index and I've been holding this sell since yesterday. I shared this sell signal to my VIP members and on my free Telegram channel. We're moving in good profits. I'm still expecting more sells on this index. Our first TP has been smashed, which I had at this point. My remaining positions I'm still holding to outmove my stop loss below my entry to break even this trade and to stay safe in this trade. So what's the market analysis and how do I know this index is going to sell from this zone? I got stopped out a couple of times on my entries on this index, but I have to still re-enter because I was expecting the sales. I was strongly expecting the sales on this index, and everything is moving good right now. So market is reacting to this level, this zone I spotted here. Market is reacting to it because this is a strong level. This is an important zone on this index on the 1 hour time frame. So on analyzing this index, I started from a higher time frame, the weekly time frame. I was able to spot the market structure, and when I zoomed out on this index, I saw that this index has been on a massive rise for weeks now. For 3 to 4 weeks, this index has been very bullish, which I spotted at this point. You can see these bullish wicks we got here, right? So I got this zone identified. This index was consolidating previously, which we got a breakout of, got price breakout of this consolidation, then this massive rise to the upside. And when we zoom out on the chart, we had a level, we got a zone here on the weekly time frame, which I spotted. I was like, if price can get to this zone, I would be expecting the rejections from it. I was expecting the sales from this level, which we are getting on a lower time frame. So how to work with my zones on a lower time frame, how to identify these zones on a higher time frame, then go to a lower time frame to work alongside with it. So on the market is actually bullish, right? Market is bullish on the daily time frame. You can see price creates series of highs and lows, series of higher highs and higher lows, which I also identified. We got these two higher low structure, which is a bullish structure. So I had in mind that market is bullish regardless of the short-term sell opportunity I'm looking at for this index. I would have a level where I would exit my sells, right? And price is approaching that level. We could get the buys in the coming hours and days, right? Market is still bullish regardless of the sells. So I got this higher low formation spotted and this higher high spotted, and we had a zone here which I was expecting, which I'm still expecting price to come give a proper retest of. The first approach here, we didn't really get price retest this level properly on the daily time frame. So apparently I'm still looking out for the sales on this index. I'm still expecting the sales on Vix10 index in the coming days to this point, at least to this zone. Yeah, to this point we have a level here. We have this build up. This like, it looks like an order block formation at this point, which price formed here. So if price can manage to sell to this point, to this zone, basically this zone here, then we could see the buys on this index. I'm safe in this trade because my stop loss is below my entry. All right, so even if price is to reverse to the upside, I wouldn't be stopped out in a loss. I wouldn't have my winning trade turned to a losing trade. We have this bullish order block here, which we could see price react on. So I'm expecting a move of this kind. Either price sell further to this zone or price sells to this level, this other block here. Price gives the sells to this zone, right? For more buys on this index, for more buys, price gives the sells to that point for more buys in the coming hours and days on Vix10 index. And bringing up our Fibonacci to check our expected buy zone, right? To confirm this buy level from the swing lows to the swing highs. You can see that this retracement level is in line with the 61.8 level. Our expected buy zone, our expected buy zone is in line with this is 1.8 retracement level, which is at this point. So little sells in the coming hours and days, then we'll see more buys on this index because of the general trend of this market, because of the higher lows and higher highs this index is forming. So we assume that the bulls have higher hand on this index. So that's my expectations and market analysis on this index. I may exit this trade right now. By the end of this video, I may close out on all of my positions. Then I would watch out for market reactions at this point, basically, mainly at this zone. Right, I'll watch out for market reactions at this point to buy this index to get the buys on V10 index. So we're moving in massive profit. I'm over $600 to $700 up on this index. So more sales, short-term sales is expected to this point. Short-term sales is expected to this zone for long-term buys on V10 index. So looking at the lower time frame structure, we can see that we got this level here, this zone on the 15-minute time frame, which price is trying to approach. That's why I'm not scared on holding the sales more, on holding the sales longer. I'm not scared because we could see price do what, retest this zone. Could see price retest this zone, this level for more sales. We got the reactions here. Price sold from here as resistance, resistance, resistance. There was a break above it, support, right? Little reactions here. It didn't really get price buy on this level. We got this chopping move here. Price break below it, broke above it again, so to the downside, and we're getting price approach this level again as a resistance. So we could see the rejections on the test of this level on the 15-minute time frame for more sales on this index. But I will just watch closely on this index. If price breaks above this level, then I would be exiting my trade, exiting like 80% of my remaining positions, then holding the few to run up, because we could still get price reject, like give the fake breakout, then sell further to the downside without without getting to our break-even point, is our SL level. All right, so that's this, guys. That's how I was able to take the sell trade on V10 index. I analyzed from a high time frame, the weekly time frame, down to a lower time frame for my entries. So hit the like button for more trade reviews, guys, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Let's engage in my videos. So, it means a lot, guys. Let's do more on the video.